Hi guys, in this video we're gonna do this look inspired by Sonam Kapoor, and this is the final look that I recreated. In her look she has very muted looking eyes, fresh skin and red lips, so I thought it would be perfect for Valentine's Day. Even though this is an inspired look, but I did adapt it to my face and I worked around with the products that I already have in hand. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So first I'm going to prime my face using this NYX Hydratouch oil primer. I'm going to take about half a dropper of the product and gently massage it all over my face and my neck. Next, I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows using this Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil. I am going to stick to my natural brow shape and only fill in the sparse areas in my eyebrows and combing them in place. Next, I'm going to prime my eyelids using this e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, and I am going to blend the eyeshadow primer with my finger and bring the excess product down towards my under eye area. Next, I'm gonna use this Sephora miniature palette, and I will use this light brown shade from the palette as my transition color. I'm using a fluffy blending brush and putting that color in my crease area. And the name of the color is Biscuit. Next, I'm using the same palette and using this dark brown shade to deepen up my crease, and the name of the color is Cocoa. Next, from the same palette, I'm using this shimmery eye color and putting it all over my eyelid using my finger, and I will put that color on until I'm happy with the color payoff. Next, I'm using this L'Oreal liquid eyeliner and using this to make a winged eyeline. So I'm done with my right eye and I'm going to do my left eye off camera, and here I'm back with both the eyes done. Next, I'm going to very lightly color correct my under eye area and areas around my mouth. I'm using this LA Girl Pro Conceal in orange color, and while I was blending I realized it might be too much color for this look, so I took a tissue and wiped off the excess. And for the right side where I applied my color already, I will dab this tissue on and take off the excess product. So next I'm gonna apply my foundation, and I'm using L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I am in shade 206. So I'm taking about a dime size amount of foundation and putting the same primer oil from NYX in and mixing it in with my finger. And then I'm directly going to dot the foundation over the areas that I color corrected and the rest of my face. And I'm going to blend the foundation away with a beauty sponge. Next I'm going to take this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm in shade 25, and I'm going to put this concealer under my eyes, my cupid's bow, bridge of my nose, and center of my forehead, and I will use a beauty blender to blend this all away. Then I'm taking the same concealer and highlighting the points around my mouth, and I'm blending it away with a beauty blender and blending it towards my chin area. Next, I'm going to very lightly contour around the perimeter of my face, and I'm using Maybelline Master contour stick, and this contour stick is only about a shade darker than my actual skin tone, so it's going to give us that natural dimension to our face without being too overpowering. Next, I'm going to set my entire face using this Laura Mercier translucent powder, and in case you're wondering, I'm just using a travel size jar of this Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, for the blush, I'm using this Marc Jacobs lipstick, and the lipstick is in shade Kiss Kiss Bang Bang. I'm applying this product all over my cheekbones, and I'm going to blend it away with a beauty blender. And this is going to give you that healthy, natural looking glow. And now I'm going to take a bit more product, applying it on my cheekbones and blending it away with my finger. Next, I'm going to very lightly highlight the high points on my face, and for highlighter I'm using Becca Highlighter and it's in shade Champagne Pot, and I'm going to put this on my cheekbones and bridge of my nose and center of my forehead. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. In Sonam's look, she has very natural looking lashes and it was hard to tell if she had fake lashes on. But for this video, I wanted to keep it easy, so I'm going to skip applying fake lashes. But I'm going to take my time to curl my lashes and then apply mascara. And for the mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar X Fiber Mascara, and it's got two parts, the primer part and the actual mascara part. It is such a great product. It gives me length and volume. If you haven't tried it, you should give it a try. Next, I'm going to take the same highlighter from Becca and I'm going to highlight my brow bone area and my tear duct area. I'm not going to use any brush here. I'll just apply the highlighter with my finger. Next, I'm going to use the same light brown color to smoke out my lower lash line, and I'm using a small blending brush here. Then I'm going to apply a light coat of mascara on my lower lashes. And finally, for the lips, I'm using this red lipstick from Kat Von D and it's in shade Underage Red. First, I am going to use this lipstick and put it on my lip liner brush, and going to outline my lips using this lip liner brush, and then I'll fill them in lightly with the lip liner brush, and then I'll go in with the actual lipstick and fill them in completely. Next, I'm going to finish off this look by using Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water and setting everything in place. And here I popped on some earrings, tied my hair back, and that finishes the look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments box below, and I hope to see you soon. Take care till then. Bye bye.